In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We'll walk through how to add a signature field to an appointment request form using Jotform's form builder. This is perfect if you need visitors to acknowledge terms, consent to policies, or confirm appointment details with a simple, secure e-signature. First, open your appointment request form inside Jotform's form builder. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar canvas with your form fields in the center and the editing tools around it. Make sure you're in the build view where you can add and arrange elements. If your form is already open, you're ready to go. The builder will autosave as you work, so you won't need to worry about losing changes. Next, look for the Add Elements option on the left side of the screen. Click it to open the Elements panel. This panel is your toolbox for form fields, things like short answer, email, date pickers, upload fields, and more. For our purpose, we'll focus on the signature option. The panel is organized to help you find what you need quickly, and you can use the search bar if you prefer. Keeping this panel open makes it easy to drop in additional fields later if you decide to expand your form. Now click on Signature. As soon as you do, Jotform adds a signature field to your form. You'll see a box where responders can draw or sign using a mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen. It's a straightforward, user-friendly way to collect legally binding acknowledgements. By default, the field includes a label you can customize to match your tone, like "Please sign to confirm your appointment." The signature element is designed to work across devices, and it captures the date and a unique signature entry as part of the submission records. This helps with audit trails and keeps your process professional. A couple of helpful notes as you finish up: Jotform autosaves changes, so your newly added signature field is stored automatically. If you're working with regulated data or have specific compliance needs, Jotform's signature field supports secure submissions and integrates smoothly with common workflows. And while we're keeping things simple today, remember that you can fine-tune labels and descriptions later to make expectations crystal clear for your respondents. That's it. Your appointment request form now includes a signature field. With just a few clicks, you've made your form more complete, more reliable, and better aligned with real-world approval needs. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Jotform.